In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ARK Survival Evolved low-level fatal error. The UE4 shooter game has crashed. Go to Steam, find your game, and then right-click on it. Find ARK Survival Evolved, right-click on it, Properties, and then make sure Launch Options is empty. Go to Install Files, and then Verify Files. Now go to Browse. So when you click on verify files, it will take a few minutes to finish, and after it's done, just go to browse. Find the ARK Survival Evolved.exe folder, find the game folder, and then right click on it, and then properties, compatibility, and then just enable these three options. Click apply and then OK. Once you do this, try relaunch the game, and if it doesn't work, then what you can do is go to task manager. Over here, you need to minimize the number of applications running in the background. So make sure if you see unnecessary apps, just right click and then end task. Do the same thing here. If you see unnecessary apps, right click and then end process tree. Under startup apps, you need to disable apps from starting automatically every time you restart your computer. So you can do this by right clicking and then clicking disable. So any app that says enabled, just make sure you disable it if you don't need it to automatically start. Next, if you have NVIDIA app, this app allows you to update your graphics card drivers. If you go to drivers, you can update it from here. Just make sure you update it. You can also update it if you go to device manager, display adapters, and here you can also update it. So once you do this, you want to go to the settings, and over here you'll go to graphics. So just make sure you enable this hardware accelerated GPU, enable this option. And once you do this, I suggest you, if you're still having the same issue, then just try to uninstall the game, completely uninstall it, and then reinstall it, and hopefully this works.